A model of Leafy Ball Fountain is made to be kept on the tabletop. Water gently cascades down the ball into a decorative cylindrical pool where it is recycled. The diameter of spherical ball is 21 cm. Cylindrical pool outer diameter is 50 cm and inner diameter is 40 cm. Height of solid base is 14 cm. Height of water filled is 7 cm. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. Question 1. Determine the total height of the fountain. Question 2. Find the volume of the ball. Question 3. There are two questions, A or B. Question 3A is, if 1/3 of the ball is submerged in the water, find the volume of the water filled in the pool. Or question 3B, find the sum of the outer curved surface area of the cylindrical part and surface area of the ball. We will do one by one. This is the figure. Total height of the fountain means height of the solid base. Height of the solid base is this one. This is 14 centimeter plus height of the ball. Height of the ball means this is the height of the ball. That means diameter of the sphere. It is given that diameter of the spherical ball is 21 centimeter. So this is 21 centimeter. So the total will be 14 plus 21. 14 plus 21, that is equal to 35 centimeter. So height of the first question is determine the height of the fountain. So height of the fountain is 14 plus 21 equal to 35 centimeter. We will go to question 2. Question 2, find the volume of the ball. Volume of the ball is equal to volume of the sphere. Formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r is diameter is 21, so radius will be 21 by 2. 21 by 2, it is r cube, so 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 7 and 21, 3 times 4 and 2, 2 times again 2 and 2, this gone, this 22 and 2, 11 times again 21 and 3, 7 times equal to, now we have 11 into 3 into 7 into 21. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 into 21 is 441. So we have 11 into 441. This is equal to 4,851 centimeter cube. So volume of the ball is equal to 4,851 centimeter cube. Now we'll go to the third question. Third question A, if 1/3 of the ball is submerged in the water, find the volume of the water filled in the pool. Volume of the water in the pool is equal to volume of inner upper part. That means this part. Volume of this part. That means it's a cylinder. So volume of this volume of inner upper part. That means volume of cylinder minus 1/3 of volume of sphere, because it is given in the question that 1/3 of the ball is submerged in the water. That means volume of this cylindrical part minus 1/3 into volume of the ball. So volume of the water filled in the pool is equal to volume of the inner upper part. That means volume of this cylindrical part minus 1/3 into volume of the ball, means volume of the sphere. So volume of the inner upper part, that is volume of the cylinder, we know it is pi r square h minus 1/3 into volume of ball. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. This is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7 into r. It is given inner diameter of the cylindrical pole is 40 centimeter. So that means inner radius is 40 divided by 2. Since the diameter is 40 centimeter, radius is 20 centimeter. So it is r is 20 centimeter. So r square means 20 into 20 into height of the cylinder is, height of water filled is given in the question that it is 7 centimeters. So here h will be 7 centimeter. Height of that cylindric part where the water is filled is 7 centimeter. So into 7 minus 1/3 into this 4/3 pi r cube we have already found as the answer of our second question. Find the volume of the ball. So it is 4,851. 4,851. So 1/3 into 4,851. This is equal to 7 gone. 20 into 20 is 400. 400 into 22 is 8800. 8800 minus 1 by 3 into 4851. If we divide 4851 by 3, we will get 1617. 1617, which is equal to 8800 minus 1617 is equal to 7183. 7183, since it is volume, centimeter cube. 7183 centimeter cube is the answer of question number 3A. Now we'll go to question number 3B. What is question number 3B? Find the sum of the outer curved surface area of the cylindrical part and the surface area of the ball. Outer CSA, outer curved surface area of the cylindrical part plus surface area of the ball is equal to, we know curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus surface area of the ball is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius of the cylinder is, outer diameter of the cylinder is 50 centimeter. So outer radius of the cylinder is 25 centimeter. So this will be 25 into height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is this total height, that means 14 plus 7, that is 21 centimeter. So into h, 21 plus 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 by 7 into radius of the ball, diameter of the ball is 21, so radius is 21 by 2, so r square 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. This is equal to this 7, 21 cut, it is 3 times, and 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 25 into 3 is 75. So 44 into 75 is 3300 plus this part here is 721 3 times, then 22 and 2 11 times, 11 into 2 is 22, and this 4 and 2 we can cut 2, so we have 2 into 11 is 22, 22 into 3 into 21, that is 1386. 1386. 3300 plus 1386 equal to 4686. 4686 centimeter square. Since it is area, unit is square, so centimeter square. 4686 centimeter square is the answer of question number 3B.